Appearition was started, founded in 2014. It was a spin-off from a network consultancy business where we experimented with using augmented reality in various field services tools. But we found that it was better to have that as a separate entity, so it's got a life of its own. Right now we've got offices in Melbourne, Australia, Portland in the USA, and in India as well. I think our approach with AR is looking at AR almost like a communication piece. So in the sense that anywhere there is existing communication, AR fits in. When you take communications, it's not just from field services talking back to the other staff members. So in terms of the way the manuals are presented, the way the interface with the system is, the way the alarms come in. So it's a whole plethora of things that fall in. So I think we found that approach of saying, well, how can communication be optimized is an interesting way to look at it, because then they go back and say, well, go back to the other story and say, well, okay, when tablets first came in, do you work first? What happened? Or when the internet first came in. So you sort of go through that entire journey of how new technology was adopted and say, well, this is just a different way. It's not going to stop anything else. It's just a different way of using resources. Where I see the real value is the integration with IoT and big data, and also some of the AI components. So it's going to be that mesh, and the case studies that are coming out of that mesh. So I think in many ways the augmented reality is the overlay on top of it. But when you start to add this information or this data coming in, it becomes a whole bunch of different use cases, but also can really solve problems, and that's what's quite exciting about it.